What up, ladies and gents, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Kibri Investments, where we talk about anything in finance and where we specifically talk about crypto right now because it's booming and everybody wants to know about it. My name is Nico Manas and welcome to Kibri Investments. Like I already told you guys, welcome. And today we'll be talking about Binance, how to use it, how to get in, and stuff like that. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss any of these videos. For the people that don't know me and hear my accent, yes, I am not from the United States. I am actually from Suriname, born and raised. So that's why my accent is like this. Working on that, getting better every day. So let's pop into the video. So basically what we're gonna talk about today is Binance, and a lot of people have been asking me how to make an account on Binance. How does Binance actually work? Where can I buy? Where can I sell? How can I transfer my funds? I'm gonna go through it. I hope this video doesn't take too long. I think you guys are already tired of my face, so let's get onto the screen. Alright, so basically this is Binance.com. The first thing that I want you guys to notice is that you always have to check the URL code. Always make sure that the URL address, always make sure that there's a www.binance.com without anything in between or without our name, because there are a lot of scammers out there, so please stay safe. Alright, this is the home screen of Binance. Buy and sell crypto in minutes. Correct, you can do that over there. You can see here what is trending in the market. We have a pretty green market today. By the way, please keep in mind this video has been made a while ago because I still need to upload a few videos that I made before this. And yes, I am turning everything on my page into English, so that's why I'm making the older videos that I made in Dutch in English, and that's why I can't upload new things yet because I don't have the time. Simple. Anyway, let's get into it. So this is the market trend. You could trade it anywhere. You could also download an app on your phone. It's called Binance, and then you can log in with the logins that you made an account with. All right, simple as that. I have the link down in the description as well. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. That's up to you. I'm not forcing anyone to use my links. Right. So first things first, the first thing that you can do, you'll see buy crypto. Yeah, so you have a card deposit option over here. This basically means that you can deposit with a card like a credit card, Visa or MasterCard. If you don't have that, you could always contact Kibri Investments in Suriname and we can arrange a meeting between the buyer and the seller, and then you can buy crypto from us. So that's not a problem at all, and we can arrange that. So basically a card deposit, credit card deposit, P2P trading, and you have a lot of other stuff, a SEPA transaction, for example. For the people living in the EU, you could do that if you want to do that. It's a while ago they had Ideal. It was almost instant to deposit back then, but I think because of the legislation and like all the rules that are coming with crypto right now, because it's so booming, I think that's what got it to go away. I don't know for sure. Anyway, the next thing that's very important, I know that you guys want to go to the markets already and trade in derivatives and stuff like that, but the thing I want to show you is the wallet. So the wallet is on the right, and what you basically can see in your wallet is all the crypto that you own. So let's say, for example, you bought Bitcoin, you bought Ethereum, you bought XRP, etc., Sol and stuff like that. You can see that in your wallet. So let's go to wallet and to overview. And basically, if you're in your overview, I close my balance off just for privacy reasons. This is, by the way, another account that I made just for the videos. This is not my main account, but I still closed off the balance. That's why you see the stars over here. But basically, if you then click on your overview, you could see what you have in your wallet. Now let's go to fiat and spot. If you go to fiat and spot, you can see all the coins that you own. So yeah, basically I own a bit of Chainlink over here in this wallet as RSR SXP, and you can see the total over here, the available balance and the value in BTC. Now what you can do is you could buy more of, let's say for example, Link, right? You could buy more of Link by clicking on buy, or you could deposit more Link or withdraw Link. So let's say for example that we wanted to trade it, right? We would want to buy more of Link. All right, you can also click here, that's fine, but what I like to do is I like to go to markets. So markets is over here. If you click on markets, and we would, for example, I'm gonna try another coin. I'm gonna do like, always make sure you're on spot markets. The difference between spot and all these other markets like futures, for example, futures is like trading. So let's say for example, sorry for the sideline between, but let's say for example that you buy Bitcoin at 50,000 and Bitcoin drops to 40,000 and you were in a long position, then you could be liquidated. So your money could be gone because you traded in futures. You have leverage over there. Leverage basically means that $100 move could be like, if you're in with 2 times the leverage, it could be a $200 profit, but it could also mean a $200 loss, or lose everything if you don't have a stop loss in there. So please keep that in mind. That's why I like spot more. Spot is like buying, let's say if, I'm going with the example for BTC again. You're buying 1 BTC and you have that BTC forever. If it goes to 10,000, if it goes to 20,000, if it goes to 200,000, you just have 1 BTC, and that's equal to the amount that it's worth at the moment. So you don't have to worry about losing your money basically over there. But futures is really like trading and stuff like that. I don't really like that, and I don't support that either. Just buy spot and that should be good. All right, so back to the example. We're on spot markets. Now let's say we want to find DOT. DOT is another coin, and I want to see DOT in the USDT. So I click on fiat because I want to see DOT USDT. What that basically means is DOT compared to the USDT. All right, so that's why the slash is there. It's like dot USDT or dot BNB. That's, let's say you had BNB, then you needed to look for dot BNB. But in this case, we have USDT, so we're looking for dot USDT. If we were to look for dot BNB, just scroll a bit through this. Let me see. BNB. We can click on that. So when you click on that, the market is gonna open. So you see this market, and basically what you can do here is you could buy and sell DOT, because that's what we looked up. You can see that the price currently is $31, and compared to BNB, that's 0.07268 BNB per DOT. So let's say for example we had 1 BNB in here. And we would want to market buy that. Market buy just means buying on the price that it is currently on, and we would want to market buy let's say for example max dot, like 0.09 dot, and I would click buy. Okay, I can't currently because I didn't do my identity verification. As you can see here on the top, I can't buy and sell cryptocurrencies. That's totally fine. You can still withdraw if you're not verified, but the withdrawals are way lower. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how it works. So you could buy here and you could sell DOT again over here, and then you can just come to your wallet, right? We're back in our wallet, and over here you could basically deposit and withdraw. So let's say for example we wanted to withdraw Link, and if we wanted to withdraw Link, we have a balance here. You could see it. I don't mind sharing it over here. We have 48 Link over here. So let's say for example we wanted to send the link to another address, then we needed to post the address in here. Let's say someone sends you their Link address, and then you can just put it here. I'm just putting an example because crypto addresses look like this, and then you just choose for let me see. Yeah, okay, because the address isn't, it's not right, then it won't give you the right network, but you would have to choose for the ERC20 network in order to send this. Make sure it's worth it to send it because it could be pretty expensive. So that's why I always send in USDT. Right, if you send in USDT, then it's always cheaper to do so, because USDT TRC20 is like it costs $1 to send any amount of USDT to another address. So basically that's that, guys. That's what I wanted to show you guys basically in this video. I don't know if I have any other things to show you. Yeah, let me think a bit. You also have like earnings and loans and stuff like that you can take, but you can research that on your own time. You could also go to Binance. Give me a sec. Binance Academy. Yep. You could also go to Binance Academy, that's here, and then you could read you could read a bit more about all the things that are going on in Binance and on the blockchain. So if you wanted more information on how things work, for example, what is Avalanche, you could look it up there, or blockchain and crypto, the basics, you could click on start here, and then it would just take you to the basics of crypto, and it will tell you what is crypto, how does it work, what is the blockchain, etc. So if you find that interesting, make sure to check out Binance Academy as well. And yeah, basically that sums it up a bit. If you have any more questions about Binance or how it works, how to deposit, how to make an account and stuff like that, please don't feel hesitated to join the Discord and send me a message. With that being said, join the Discord family, the Kibri family. And I hope to see all of you in there soon. If you have any problems with the verification, please let me know as well, because if you put in your Surinamese ID or street name, everything else has to be Surinamese, like a Surinamese passport. If you do it for the Netherlands, then it has to be a Dutch passport, for example. I think that's that. I hope I covered everything. If I didn't, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to explain it further. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It might have been a bit long, but I had to, like, how do you call it? I had to explain everything, or else it wouldn't make any sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to join the Kibri fam. As always, SOSO LOBI uit mijn Bobby, and I hope to have you guys here with me in the next episode of Kibri Investments. In the next episode, we'll be talking about, let me take a look, how does FTX work? FTX is way more interesting than Binance, in my opinion. I don't want to start a war, but I like FTX way more. So let's see in another video, or in the next video, what that's all about. Ciao, latros, chalas.